Hi everyone, Stephanie here. So today we're going to talk about something very important, and that's one of the best investments that you can make for yourself and your family. It is in a portable power station and portable solar panels. This whole system from Egretech works together. This is the portable power station. This is the solar panel. Yes, inside of here, a full complete system that kind of folds up accordion style, and it's very easy to take anywhere you go. I'm talking camping. I'm talking if you have power failures. Maybe you live in an area of the country that you get a lot of sun, but maybe you're prone to tornadoes or hurricanes. But having a system like this can ensure that you never go without power. You're always able to charge your devices when you need them the most. If we happen to be in one of those unfortunate situations where time is of the essence, having a system like this, you can easily set it up so that this solar panel gets sun, it charges this power station, and then using all of the different ports here, you can charge your devices or plug in things that you really need to have power during those periods of time. So let's get into it, and I'm going to show you all the...
All right, so let's talk about our solar panel first. Everything is in here, Velcro closure, and so we're basically going to unfold it like this, and you can see our solar panels right here. Now on the back here, we do have these little stands here, so it's like a kickstand. Oh, there's my son, I need that. So we're going to be able to angle our solar panel so it gets the most energy from the sun. So when we unfold it like this, then on the back here, we can just angle it easily so that it gets the maximum amount of sunlight. Now conveniently on the back here of the solar panel is this little pouch here, and here you can see you have your MC4 receptacles right here. Also included in the pouch are these, which you'll need to hook up here. All right, now that's done. At the other end of these are these three. You have an Anderson connector, an XT60 plug, and a DC 5521 plug. Now that it is plugged up, we are going to take our portable power station right here, and if you look on the left side here, this little piece opens up. Underneath you can see it says solar input. You can also charge it with a regular AC input, but we're going to use the input here, and we are going to plug that in. And now congratulations, we are now charging our portable power station with solar. So we're going to get this all charged up, then we'll be able to use our portable power station inside to charge and power devices and electronics that we need. So when you power on the unit with the display here, and I'm sorry if you can't see it very well, but it says it's at 57%. It's giving an indication of how long with the current level of sun until we're charged. And it's also giving us an indication of wattage. So I probably need to angle this better because the sun is coming from this direction. So I've angled the panel much better to receive the sun. Now if I come over here, I'm able to tell, look at that number. It says 9 now. So it went from 90 something to 9. So the angle of your panel is very important. Now, charging with solar is obviously one way to charge this power source. It is an option, however, if you want to use AC power. You have your AC power input right here. So plug in the attached cord. This then goes into the wall. And now you're rocking and rolling. So obviously this way is going to be quicker. It's just an easier way to convert. Solar is good, number one, in case of emergencies when you have no power, or when you're out there, you know, camping or something and you don't have outlets or anything like that. So this is showing me this will be fully charged in 56 minutes. And I do really appreciate this really nice LED display right here. And while we're looking at this, this has a light button up here. Press the light, and then you have 1, 2, and then blinking. Fast blinking, and then off. So a couple of different light sources. Of course, that's really great in the event of an emergency. All right, guys, so here is where we really start to have fun. We put this to the test, and I'm going to be powering
several appliances and devices using this. So let's get started. Behind me, I have an air fryer. I have a coffee maker. Over on this side, I've got a portable fan. I've got a pest control device. I'm going to be charging a phone and some earbuds, all of this stuff with this portable charger right here. All right, I'm going to start with USBs. I'm going to plug in these. Now let's power on the unit right here. We're at 100%. I have not turned this button on yet. We'll plug in this USB-C. Now I'm going to turn the USB on. There we go. And then on. All right, so this is running, and it is charging my earbuds right here. These are the only things that are running, or actually, sorry, I've got this, a car charger in here, and it is charging a phone. So you're able to tell here your output and wattage, some other important information here on this LED screen. And I was at 100%, and so it's drawing our battery down appropriately. Now over here, I've got two appliances plugged in. I have my Keurig coffee maker and I have my air fryer. They're both have power to them, but I'm not running them currently. So you can see our output is 4 watts. All right, I want to make a cup of coffee here. All right, let's get that going. All right, brewing my coffee. Let's check the output. Oh, it's still just at 5 watts like that. And then the great thing about it is, of course, you don't have to leave this hooked up all the time. If you're in a situation where you have a power outage or you're in a place where you don't have power, you can just plug it in as you need it and then unplug it when you don't. Now let's turn on the air fryer and we're just gonna preheat that. So preheat air fryer, that is gonna take a lot of wattage. Let's see what it says. All right, we're up to over 1,300 watts here. 1,400, 1,700. But it's working really well, and just noting here that my other things are still actively going. My coffee maker is still on, that is preheating. That one's taking the most amount of power here. And I can still use my built-in light while all of this is going on. So guys, if you're ever in a situation where you need power or your power goes out, this is a fantastic solution. Look at everything that I'm able to power at one time. I can charge it back up when I'm able to get back into power, or I can use the very convenient and easy to use solar panels, just getting that direct energy from the sun. Yes, it does take longer to charge this big unit that way, but if you don't have any other options, you don't have any other options. You also are given a way to charge this with your car. So a car charger is provided, so you can use that as well. Just an excellent, excellent piece of equipment to have for you and your family. No matter what type of situation hits, you are prepared. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you found this helpful.